Hello teacher, my name is Julián Trejos Cárdenas. My group number is 21 20 20 13 2 19 4. The date is April 2020. To solve the problem of digital transformation in Colombia, you can contribute in why. With evaluation and negotiation in technologies is theme of many years ago in Colombia, where you can revolution through organization in companies adapting to a new role, solving the needs of people and investing in new technologies, giving more amplification to all users. Since with so much information circulating every day about technology, it is very complex to keep one. We are creating idea thinking it is a very broad topic where digital transformation has problems in organization. Is my name kid contributes are false vowels. One. Improvise responsiveness to change in the environment and requests from digital consumers. Increase productivity, view atoms, view data, projects and training staff. Acquire new business opportunities by making use of new communication channels. And four, facing the competition of digital native companies by